Now that we have created our own content type property, we will add contents to our website. We have our real estate website and we want to add properties to this website. So let's add some properties. Here we have our main page. We will go to the content and then click on add content. Now we have three content types. Since we are adding property, which is our user defined content type, so we will click on the property. In the title I will say house for sale in University Town. I will leave the body as blank. You can give any contact number. The covered area is, say for example, 3,500 6,500 square foot. And in the photos I will add photos of the property. This is the first photo. This is the alternative text is exterior view. I will add another photo, sorry, and this is an interior side. I will say interior. The price is, say for example, 60 million. 6 million, sorry, and it is a house. Status is active. Area in Marla is 20, and the address is, for example, this one. Number of bedrooms is 8. Number of bathrooms is also 8. And let me save it. So once this is saved, it will be displayed like this. We will format it later, but first of all let me add some more properties. I will add another property. House for rent in Warsaw Road, shower. The covered area is, for example, 1200 square feet, and I will select a photo. For example, this is the photo. This photo is not accepted because this is a web P photo. I will select JPEG. This I will select only this. The rent is, for example, 50,000. It is a home. It is for rent. It is active. Area is 15 Marla. Address is Warsaw Road, Peshawar. Number of bedrooms is 5, for example. Bathrooms is also 4. And let me save it. So here we have another property. Let me add a third one as well. Property. House for sale. Contact number is any number. Covered area, let me just view. Covered area is 3,500. Photo is this one. This is exterior view. The rent is, for example, 30,000. It is a house and it is rent. Area is 5 Marla. Address is University Town, Peshawar. Number of bedrooms is 3. Bathrooms is 2. Let me add a last one in content, add property, and plot for sale. Contact number is this. Covered area is 0 because a plot has no covered area. The price is, for example, this much. It is a residential plot. It is for sale and the area is 10 Marla. The address is Defense Officers Colony, Peshawar. Number of bathrooms is 0 and this is also 0 because it is a plot. So we have added 4 properties. If we go to the contents and we see over here, we have added 4 properties in this Drupal website. Now the problem is how to display it. If we come to the home, these are the properties which are not property displayed. Now what I want to do in the next step is that I want a separate welcome page and then a properties page over here, a properties tab over here in the menu. When this menu button is clicked, all the properties are displayed. So in the next video I will tell you how to do this. So stay tuned.